uBird analysis platform gives you the tools to succeed. You can quickly upload all of your captured data. See the images displayed on a GPS-based map. Easily check all of your images for defects. Annotate defects and mark their severity. Work with different formats, such as thermal imaging, and LiDAR point clouds that allow for vegetation analysis. In the end, you'll get a detailed overview of your grid. And custom reports for your work crews.